Good morning, children. As you know, the third chapter, function and charts in MS Excel, is going on. In previous topic, we were discussed about the statistical function that is going on. Continue. Today we will do continue it. There is some function more in statistical function. Let's see what are they. Count a function. Count a function. This function is used to count the cells containing a number or text. The syntax is count a, small bracket open, and then cell range. The cell range, the range of cell, whatever the cell range you want, from beginning to the desired cell, and then close the bracket. After that, click on enter key. The answer will be displayed in the cell. Count function, the function is, as you see in the picture, children, this function is used to count the cells containing a number. In count cell, we were study that was count the number of cells, and count a cell is count the cells containing a number or text. Means whatever the numbers, whatever the values contains the cell, it count that number and displays the result. As you can see in the picture, there are a number 1, 2, minus 45, 24.07, 3.45. These are the number. When it counted, the cell range is from A1 colon C3. This is the range of cell, and when it click on enter button, the answer is 9. Understand, children? Now next is average function. This function is used to find the average of a set of numbers. Everybody knows an average. In MS Excel, how it find it? See the syntax, put equal sign, then average, that will be also in capital letter. Always all the functions should be in a capital letter, children. Then put a small bracket open, then cell range, you have to also cell range give here, then close the small bracket, then click on enter button, and when you click on enter button, the answer will be as usual display in the cell. As you can see in the picture, put equal size as usual, then put average function, that small bracket open, then give the number, then close give the number with the comma. Comma is separate all the number to each other, then close the small bracket, then OK button. The output will be show inside the cell. So you saw what are the count of function and average function today, children. I hope you understand this function. Till then, thank you. Please watch and read carefully the video and understanding. Thank you, children.